Welcome back to another Ben's Garage video. Today we're in the kitchen. What we're doing in the kitchen? We're not cooking, don't worry. If you've got a Range Rover 2010 to 2012, you'll have a key like this. These are rubber coated and quite often the rubber peels off. I've tried gluing it back on but without success. Now Land Rover did know that this was a problem and they brought out a key fob kit. Basically this is a key fob casing so we can swap it all over, so that this rubberized thing on here will all be plastic. Obviously if the rubber comes off the front, the buttons can fall out and cause all sorts of problems. So we're going to get it over here, try and take it apart and see if we can change them over. Now this is a genuine Land Rover part. It's an LR0 52905. You can pick these up off eBay for 12 quid. I don't think they're much more from a Land Rover dealer. So let's see what we can do. Push that button down at the end, it goes together quite nice. So that's that one. One more to do. So I'll video this one as well because I was having a bit of drama with that one. I think this one's all stuck together as well. Well stuck together. Right, so once you've got your key fob apart, take this rubber seal off of here. It's like your water seal. Pop it back on there. There's little tabs to hold it down. Now this piece. So we can lift out the emergency key. Take this little spring out. Get a bit of a wipe off. It can go back in there. This piece has to come out. It can slot into there. There's a bit of a tight fit going back in, but That's that. Get the circuit board out. And there's this spring thing on the bottom. Now you should be able to just, there's a little clip on this side here. Should be able to just push it down enough to clear that clip, and that should just open up like so. Should be able to just pull it all the way out. Just be careful, there is a spring in there. Alright, there's the spring. Pop the spring on there. That should push in there. Let's push it down underneath that clip, and there it is. It's not very springy. There you go. So that's that. Circuit board can go back in. There's a couple of little pegs just for that to sit on. I will just stick the battery tray back in, just to hold that in place, like so. Get the emergency key to go back on. I've got to put this up the right way, because I didn't do it on the last one. Emergency key on. That one can just go on there. Snap it all together, and that's it. So that clicks onto there, good as gold. So get the emergency key out, just pull that one out. There we go. To get the emergency key back in, which I was messing around with on the last key, just push that end down, that'll go in, and that's it. So, most important thing now is put the Hobbit's keyring back on it. Easier said than done. New key for the Hobbit. and a new key for me. 2 new key fobs. Absolutely perfect now. As I say, Land Rover did know that there was a problem with these ones, so they do this kit. Genuine Land Rover. It's made in China, but then, come on, did you really expect Land Rover to be making these themselves? Hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.